Hi everyone. So here is a slideshow of impact of education as an interdisciplinary field of study that was prepared by me during my B.Ed classes. So first we are going to understand what do you mean by interdisciplinary terms. Then after that we will know what is the meaning of it in the field of education. So here it goes. First, the education introduction. That is, what do you mean by the word education? Education is actually the word derived from the Latin was educare, which means to nourish, that is to bring up or to rear. Okay, so education is something that makes the people, an individual, a person who gets the education civilized, refined, culture and educated. So interdisciplinary education is simply that you will be applying the different knowledge from different field of studies into one. Okay, so suppose if you are getting the knowledge from geography, then you are applying that geography knowledge into the science subject, or the science knowledge into the mathematics. Like that is known as the interdisciplinary education. So why there is a need of interdisciplinary studies? Because it is very much of the global concern. Like in today's world, there is nothing like one subject application field. There is a field where you need to be applying the knowledges from different field of studies, from different subject areas, and unemployment of the youth, then many subjects which are not covered by a specific. Then here are some of the works that has been done to implement the interdisciplinary field of study in today's world. So in India also, Jadavpur has already started 21 schools of interdisciplinary studies. So it has been like interdisciplinary studies has been given the most prominent place in today's world of education. So here, like the disciplines which are integrated, these are just the examples. For example, chemistry for geologist, math for archaeologist, physics for psychologist, biology for mathematicians. If I give you the example that in the statistics, we have to use the statistics while studying the biological field also. And for the geologist also, they have to study the chemistry to in order to know the different varieties of the soil alkalinity and all. So here is the combined examples where the environmental science is used as an interdisciplinary studies, or the careers that require the mathematics and various other subjects where there is a interdisciplinary approach of education. So what is the strategies to implement the interdisciplinary is the first you have to model the objectives and the circular, what you are going to get, what you are going to require. Then after that you have to modify the content and the subject taught. Then you have to selectively choose the interdisciplinary subject. Then you have to do the team based management and the inquiry based learning in order to make it possible. So here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of interdisciplinary education. Advantages like it will be covering a lot of the details, a lot of the depth of the subject. Then it will be leading to the greater creativity and synthesis of the new ideas and all. But disadvantages are also there, like it demands a lot of time. And when the integrating different subjects, there will be a lot of confusion, and some people may resist to change also. So conclusion is that whenever we are going to implement the interdisciplinary education, we have to like see whether it is going to be the good for the society or not, and what are the things that can be done to provide this interdisciplinary education, and so that the more people will be able to assist in the creation of such an environment. So here are some of the references that I have took while preparing these slides, which will be if you want to go into the further details, you can take these references and go into the deeper look. So at last, thank you for listening, and if you have any questions regarding the interdisciplinary education, I have tried to make this video a very short one. You can just comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel for more information and knowledgeable things.